Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the numerical methods to solve the linear differential equation. So till now, whenever we have a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus px equal to q, whenever we have this type of equation, we used to find the solution first finding integrating factor, which is given by e raised to p dx, and then multiplying this integrating factor in this solution. Okay, we used to find our solution by using this method, but there is another method known as numerical methods to solve the linear differential equation. So what are the numerical methods? We have total 4 numerical methods. First one is Euler's method, second one is Euler's modified method, third one is Runge-Kutta method, and the fourth one is Taylor series method. All this method will provide you the approximate value of y. From this equation we can get the value of y. This will be the exact solution. We know that this type of method is used for exact solution, and this will be the approximate solution. So first we will see what is Euler's method. So there are some basic steps you should follow in every method. So first we will concentrate on Euler's method. In Euler's method we have first 5 steps, and you should write these steps in every problem. First, express the given equation. We will be given the linear differential equation in any form. So express that equation as dy by dx equal to function of x comma y. Okay, it will be some function. Okay, first express the equation in dy by dx form. Then we will be given the initial conditions x of 0 equal to something and y of 0 equal to something. Call the initial condition as x of 0 and y of 0. Then we have to find y. Then the question will be find y at some value of x. This will be the question. So this thing will be given in our problem. Write this value so that you should know what to find. Then write the interval. What is interval? I will come to this shortly. Interval will be given in the problem. If it is not given, what we should do? We will see that in some time. Then number of steps. How many steps should we perform? So n should be x, which is given, minus x0 initial value upon h. H is interval. Okay, now we have some basic condition. If let's say h interval is not given and n is given, number of steps are given, these are the number of steps. If h is not given but n is given, then from this formula we can find h. Okay, then if h is not given, so here h is not given and n is given, so from this formula we can find h. What if both the things h and n are not given? In that case, assume number of steps n equal to 5 and then calculate h from this formula. Okay, so these are the basic steps you should remember.